Hi buddies, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to make DIY instant dry sketch pen. So now without wasting much time, let's get started. Let's go. For making sketch pen, first take a bowl and add half tablespoon of talcum powder in it. Now take any face wash you have and add a little bit of it in our bowl. Now take your favorite watercolor and add it with our other ingredients. Now mix it well. Now add a little bit of water and mix it. Now add 1 teaspoon of white glue. Mix it well. Now take your empty glue bottle and pour the batter in it, and make sure that you cut the tip of the glue bottle. Now take a cotton swab and cut it in half and place it just like this. Now press our glue bottle and see the magic.